Is it the right time to buy or sell the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, December 28, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since October 19, 2023, our system has identified ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF as a strong investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.74. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 41.73% since we first recommended ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF as a buy candidate 49 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.85% since it was listed as a buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 56.15% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 56.15% and 79.19%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a 23.39% change expected over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -16.40% to 32.22%. This means the price could range from $17.41 to $27.53 after 12 months. Our latest update on the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF brings you the headline. The price of the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin ETF ended at $20.82 on Thursday, showing a decrease of 2.3%. On Thursday, the 28th of December 2023, the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin ETF price dropped by 2.3%, falling from $21.31 to $20.82. Throughout the day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 1.5%, ranging from a low of $20.68 to a high of $20.99. Within the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a decrease of 2.07%. It is worth noting that the decrease in trading volume on the last day aligns with the ETF's decline, which can be seen as a positive signal. The trading volume decreased by 10 million shares, with a total of 17 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $348.48 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $22.13, while the lowest price was $10.16. Currently, the price stands at $1.31 below the 52-week high, representing a decrease of 5.9%. Furthermore, it is 52.99% lower than the all-time high achieved on November 10, 2021, when the price reached $44.29. In this video, we will discuss the signals for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. The ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin ETF currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average around $21.13. On the other hand, if it falls, there is support from the long-term average at around $19.94. A break through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there are some negative signals that may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 8, 2023, resulting in a decline of -5.75%. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots also show a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 53 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average suggests a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 43 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Let's start with support. The ETF currently has support just below today's level at $18.45 and $17.74. Support levels are important because if they are broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $18.45 is broken, the next support will be at $17.74 and $17.18. Now, let's talk about the risk involved. This ETF has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which means the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the ETF moved $0.310 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.5% movement. Over the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 1.82%. Today, we'll be looking at potential day trading levels for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF is at $21.31. It's advisable to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position if you don't already own any shares. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF encounters its first support level at $18.45. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. In this video, we'll discuss our recommended stop loss for this ETF, which is set at $19.80 with a decrease of 4.9%. This particular ETF experiences moderate daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk for investors. We've also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 13 days ago. Are you considering investing in the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF? Let's take a closer look. We've noticed several positive short-term signals and a generally promising trend. This suggests that there might be a buying opportunity for the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin ETF, with a fair chance of performing well in the short term. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. As we look ahead to trading on Friday, December 29th, we anticipate the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF to open up with a small increase of $0.0100, starting at $20.83. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us does not serve as the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, let us know what your target is for the ETF. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.